to my channel, and happy Foundation Friday. Alright, so this one is going to be a drugstore foundation. It is a cleaner foundation, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. So if you want to know more about that, hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody you think might like it, and let's do it. Alright, loves, we are talking about the Pacifica Alight Clean Foundation. It is oil-free, anti-shine, satin finish, 100% vegan, cruelty-free. I picked this up at Target a little while ago. I have not had a fantastic time with this brand in general. I want to love it. You guys ask me about this brand all the time, and I want to love it, but everything I've tried for them never works. Now, this foundation is not an exception. I've worn it a couple of times, and I just really didn't like it. So I'm hoping today will be different. I will tell you that I have to hydrate my face. I did try the illuminizing or the one for dry skin, the foundation, and it was not great for me. But I just used a little bit of rehydrating spray. I've prepped my skin really well, and I do find that when I use it with a primer, it works better. So this is the Too Faced primer. I haven't used it with this, but by itself, I just think it wouldn't be worth the review, to be honest with you. But I have heard a lot of questions from you guys about this brand because it is quote unquote clean, which it actually is a lot cleaner than most drugstore brands, for sure. And it is vegan, which we love. So I want to support brands. I want to support brands that are doing this, that are paving the way and, bringing this to light. I just wish, what I'd love to do is I'd love to formulate for them. That's what I would love to do. I'm going to put this out in the universe. Pacifica, if you're looking for an influencer to formulate for you and help you out, somebody that's a makeup artist, please hit me up. All right, so I am in color 34NL, and it's pretty full coverage, I will say that. Damp Beauty Blender for sure. I will scoot you in a minute. This color is pretty okay for me. It's a little bit light, as you can see, but you know how we feel. We're gonna bronze that bad boy up. And it spreads really well, that's one thing I will tell you. It spreads really, really nicely. It is a high coverage. See, it's kind of, I don't wanna say mask-like because it's not like a mask, but it is pretty full coverage for this type of foundation. So a pump or pump and a half will work out best, in my opinion, for myself. See how quickly it goes on? It is a little bit light. It's looking a lot lighter in the camera, to be honest with you. It's not this light in person. I look like a ghost, geez. Woo! We'll warm this up though with some bronzer. Okay. Now, what I want to tell you though with this foundation, if you are more oily, then this might be a good one for you to try out. The price point is pretty approachable. Again, you can get it pretty readily available since it is at Target, but you do need to prep the skin really well if you are more dry. And if you are more dry, do it with a damp beauty blender like I am doing, and don't even try a brush. All right, so here we are, and cream products go on beautifully over this foundation because you will see that I do not set this foundation at all. So this is what the skin looks like. So you're thinking to yourself, oh, it looks actually pretty darn good right now, okay? Just wait. Oh my gosh, I look like a ghost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go actually use all cream products. I will put them in the description box below. I do not set this because this foundation dries down pretty darn quick. It doesn't have, I mean, it is a matte finish, but look, it still has some beautiful luminosity through the center of it. So it's not like one of those severely matte foundations, but it definitely does pull more matte. So let me go finish the rest of my makeup and I will be right back. All right, so here we are. I'm gonna get you in real close here and you can see the skin. I'm gonna actually go outside here in just a second so you can really see it up close. It does still look a little bit light on camera because my chest but I don't feel like it looks that light in person. So anyway, it doesn't matter. So it looks really pretty. It feels really lightweight. There is no powder on my face. Everything you see is all cream products. It plays really beautifully with cream products. It just does not play well for my skin type with setting it with powder. But let me take you into real light so you can see everything. All right, loves, so here we are. God, my eyebrows are really dark today. Oh well. So here we are. So you can see everything. I'm in an office that has not been done, so it's very echoey in here, so I apologize. But my in-laws are in town, so they're kind of all over the house. But this is what it looks like in natural light. By the way, I'm wearing the Lawless concealer. It's still not great. I see they pulled it recently, though, from shelves, and I can see why, unfortunately. But anyway, here we are. This is what the foundation looks like. And I'm going to show you what it looks like in a couple of hours, obviously, as we always do. It is almost 92 degrees today, so we're going to really put this to the test. I got a lot of errands to run. I'll do 2 more check-ins, and I'll let you see what goes on. Okay, bye. All right, party people, here we are. This is 3 hours later, and it's not looking too bad. It's definitely worn off around my nose area. But it's not looking super bad. This actually is probably the best that it's looked the whole time that I've tried to wear it. So it's interesting, but it's definitely not a long wearing foundation. It's coming off on my hands rather easily. So yeah, I don't know. I'm going to see how how it wears for a little bit longer, because it was breaking up on me the past 2 or 3 times that I've worn it. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. I did try a different primer. The Too Faced Hangover is a new primer. So, I don't know. Let me know what primer works for you guys if you guys have tried this and have used it with the primer. I would love to know some feedback, but let's see what it looks like in a few more hours. Okay, bye. All right, loves. So we are at a total of 7 hours, and it actually doesn't look that bad. Okay, now listen, it didn't wear very well, okay? So it did come off all right here, but it didn't break up like it has on me before. I mean, it honestly looks pretty good. I'm the first one to say that when I'm wrong. So overall, I'm not quite sure. This foundation confuses me, but I need your help. Let me know if you guys have tried this foundation, if it works for you. Give me your tips and tricks. I honestly, though, even if it worked like this every single time, I don't necessarily know if I would run out and go buy it. There's a couple more green, clean foundations that work a little bit better, but not at this price point. So that's kind of the hard spot here, is the price point's really good. It's like 16 bucks. So yeah, that's where we're at right now. But let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you on the next one. Lots of love from me to you. Bye, loves.